I just had the biggest delivery of yarn come that I have ever ordered. Because they have a 20% sale on the basics range until the end of the year, which is tomorrow. The box is huge. I can't lift it very well by myself, or at all, I guess. It's about the same size of a box as a box of the £20 polyfill thing, which is this box here, and then it's here. And I thought I'd show you all the ones I got. I am basically stashing yarn that I know that I will use throughout the next year, because I thought I'd take advantage of it being on sale. And now that I've ordered, I realise that they're probably going to release more colours of the ranges that they're putting on sale, because this happens every single time that I place a big order, but it's okay. This is the Technicolor yarn. I'm not 100% sure where to put these. I think I basically got all of the ones of these like tie-dye yarns. I got 3 of. For some of them, the ones that I use the most or really like. This one is called In Harmony. And then we've got Flower Child. I want to make a pig with this yarn, I think. And it kind of leads me into this yarn because I figured it was almost an acrylic version, which is cute. So this would be really cool for hearts as well. These make good hearts. My cat is so bothered by the massive box of yarn that is in here. I got Static in my hair. Does it say on the side? Peace and Love. This is my favourite one of their basic yarns ever. I have a Pluto in progress in this yarn, and I'm really sad that I couldn't get hold of more of this before Christmas to get it finished, but I got some finally. I will be finishing the Pluto pretty much as my next project, and then I will show, or probably will have already done a work in progress Wednesday with this and making Pluto. This is yellow and it is their Puppy Plush range. This was not on sale, unfortunately. It is now, which is kind of annoying. They put it on sale I think yesterday, and this got dispatched yesterday. I was like, oh. But that's okay. Not sure what else I'll make with this. I might get some black and some white so I can make a bunch of bumblebees. Not sure. I didn't have a plan. I just needed the smallest amount for Pluto, and this is a huge amount. It's gonna take ages. Okay. I got this one to make a bunny, I think. Make a bunny with some little bunny yarn. This one is called Pastel Clouds. I think I already knew that because I was using that yesterday to make an elephant. I got Cosmic Camo. I think I got 2 of these ones. I like these for ducks. Okay, apparently I went a little bit crazy on the green, so that's okay because I plan on making lots of ducks next year. This is Seafoam. I love this green so much. I like the basics yarns for my small plushies because they come out like a really good size and they just look best in it. And they were one of my best, potentially my best selling product last year, so this year, well. So I figured I'd stock up. This is mint, love this. I don't think I've ever had this one before. This is Caribbean. This is very pretty, love that. I'm gonna regret throwing these all over the floor. And then we have Sage, love this one again. I have one over there, so I've got 3 of these now. I bought some just before Christmas. And then we have Kiwi. I like this yarn for making Yoshi, although I can't remember if 2 is enough or if I need 3. So I only bought 2. And then I got 3 of Ocean Swells, which is just so pretty. Hi sweetheart. I'm gonna make some, what are they called? Just some sharks, I think, but there's some sea life things. What are you doing? Just so sussed out. I got Daisy Chain. Not too sure why it's called Daisy Chain. It gives like Fruity Pebbles vibes or Skittles. I would go Skittles, but everyone always corrects me to skip Fruity Pebbles. This is toasted marshmallow. I like this. I don't know where I like it for. I don't know. Maybe some pigeons. And then I got tulip. It's another like 3 layers in here. This is, I believe, Dusty Pink. It's called Blush. Look at Dusty Pink. I like this one. I do find pinks hard to use sometimes, but oh, I wonder if that's coming here. I have a UPS parcel from my mum that she sent for Thanksgiving, and it's just been stuck for a month and a half. UPS are out there. Anyway, I got banana. Definitely gonna make some bumblebees, but I can't yet because I don't have enough black, and that is not in stock yet. Same goes for this yarn, which is probably called yellow. Where is it? It's called lemon. I feel like those names should be swapped around. That's a lemon yellow. This is a banana yellow. I don't think I've ever had this colour. It's called Hot Coral. It's looking more orange on camera, but that's a cool one. And then I got 2 of tangerine because you can never have enough orange. It's good for candy corn and basically just candy corn. Don't actually know what I use it for. I got peach and shell for flamingos. The combination is great for flamingos. And then we have, oh, this one's like stained the label or something, which is concerning. This is Bright Violet. Do you see the like stained label? A little bit. Or is it like showing in through? I don't know, that's weird. This one has too. This one is Orchid. They're pretty. I got this in the Parfait Chunky and I have no idea what to make with it. I think I have a bear that I started in this colour, so that's really good because I can finish that one. This is Dusty Lilac. And then we have, why can I never find the names? This is why I don't normally say the names. Mulberry and Eggplant. Again, purples are ones I kind of find weird to use. And then we have Chocolate. No idea what I'll use that for. Sand. I have another skein of sand on my desk because I started in Otter and I didn't have enough to finish it. We have Rust. They also didn't have any brown. This was like the better and the chocolate were the 2 best browns that they had. So that's not brown. It's not supposed to be brown, but I was hoping it would be more brown. This is Poppy. It's good for, this was the most satisfying box of yarn I've ever received. This is Emerald. This one is called Forest. I don't think I've ever had this one either. And this one is Cranberry. Oh, it's very Christmassy. Shame Christmas was last week. I really did go over the top on like the greens. This one is teal blue, but that counts as a green, I feel like. That'd be really cool for peacocks. I make little peacocks. It's one of my small plushies and that'd be really cool. This one is navy. I'm gonna make some blue, what are they called? Blue jays with this. I was gonna say blue cardinals. What is happening to my brain? This one is called Midnight, which is cool. Like the little, I feel like this is more green. Like it's got a hint of green in it. This is called Seaside. I believe I have almost a skein of this. I do find I have to get 2 skeins of one colour for most of my patterns that are not key rings. So I do have like bits and pieces of a lot of them in my things. And then this one is called Denim. I have a wow that I can see in the same colour as this, but I think this is slightly different. I have like enough to finish the whale, but I liked it. It's a whale shark. But I like this, so I got another one. And then, I can't remember what other pinks I got. I got like a flamingo colour. I might make Piglet, because I have a lot of pinks happening, and yeah. Yeah, I feel like I haven't made Piglet in a while, so I will be doing that with these. This one is called Cotton Candy. This one is called Bubblegum. This one is called Hibiscus, which, yeah, that makes sense. The pink I use, the first pink, Bubblegum, I use for Possum Noses and Towels, which is the pink called Bubblegum I use for Possum Noses and Tails, which is good because I got a lot of grey so that I can make lots of them, because they were my best selling animal this year, and I'm hoping they will be next year too. I'm gonna the most rapid fire. These are heavy. The most rapid fire like haul I've ever done. Yeah, this feels so heavy. I got 3 of this grey, which is called Pewter. I thought that was not grey. I got 3 of the white, which I probably should have got more of, but 3 felt excessive enough, and I definitely have, yeah, I can see one. I don't know where I'm putting any of this yarn. I got 3 of this grey as well, which is called Fog. I'm gonna make an elephant in this for a different video, and then the other ones are gonna be primarily possum. 2 of these mushroom ones. These are actually good for making mushrooms, believe it or not. I also like to make turtles and otters using this yarn. Definitely need to make more turtles this year, because that was something that I severely lacked on my booth last year. I just couldn't make enough. Didn't have enough time to make enough. They were selling. And then this is, I picked all of these up. Picked all of these up upside down. This is called Light Blue. I feel like this was probably one of their like first colours, because it's got the most relevant name ever. Got 2. I think I have some in my tub, so I like a bunny or something big with these. And then finally we have 2 Periwinkle, and this is one of my favourites. I feel like there's a variegated yarn that has this colour in it that I didn't buy. I think it might have been out of stock because I would have got it otherwise. I'm going to try and get all these back in the box, but if you have any suggestions on what I should make, because I'm pretty blank on what I should make, I'd like to know. Let me know, comments and suggestions if any of them scream a particular thing to you, because it's a whole new year coming up and I want to make a lot of things. I want to make more than I made last year, hopefully. I need all the ideas. Oh, I might make an elephant in this, or a mouse. Oh, the pink one would be cool for a mouse, or a rainbow mouse. There's so many options. I probably will be ordering some Parfait Chunky and Parfait Plush because it's 20% off at the minute, and I would rather get some now than miss out on the sale and have to buy it full price, I guess. I'd like save the money if I can. And that one I use a lot more for my like bigger plushies and key rings, whereas these are really good for small plushies. This box is gonna just have to live in my room, like my craft room, because there's absolutely no way that I'm getting this in any of my tubs. And also I have to cake it all, because like I have to turn it all into cakes because it stores nicer, and then you can center port easier and it doesn't like flap around as you use it. So that's gonna take a while. I think this was like 74 or 75 skeins of yarn, which is a lot of yarn. I'm hoping to use it, like I'll keep this in the box, and then as I use one I'm gonna cake what's left over and put that away. And a lot of these are duplicates of what I've already got happening over there, so I can use what's half used first, hopefully. I am sad there's like a lack of brown and black. Hopefully they'll restock that soon and I can get some, because I feel like a lot of my patterns, like I can't make ducks at the minute. Can't make bumblebees, foxes. Yeah, I got the orange to make a fox. Can't make it yet. Could do a grey or white fox, I guess. Yeah, sorry that was like super rapid fire through all of the yarns, but it felt like it was going to take 10 years otherwise, and I want to get on with some things. Thank you for watching, and please do let me know any suggestions you have for what I should make.